The beginning is to get the dog to accept the muzzle. Needless to say, Chase isn't interested in the muzzle. He's either in avoidance or he's resorting to aggression to escape the problem. And that's part of the whole issue that we're facing here with Chase, is that he's learned that he can be aggressive if we're putting him in situations that are uncomfortable. And unfortunately, life is full of uncomfortable situations, and who's to say what the dog is going to find uncomfortable or not uncomfortable. I'm well aware that you can bribe the dog with food and probably within a week get him to put his face in the muzzle. I'm not going to bribe him or trick him into it. I don't want to go so far as 5 of us hold him down and just force that muzzle over his face, because that's not going to be very productive either. I want it to be, by the end of this session, the handler can put a muzzle on the dog in a relatively safe and easy manner and then do what he needs to do with the dog. So 1 man, 1 dog, 1 muzzle. It's all about making pressure where the dog is doing the wrong thing and releasing the pressure when the dog is doing the right thing. Some people will be like, oh, the dog's stressed, he's in avoidance, blah, blah, blah. Trainers that are worried about stress and avoidance are trainers that are never really going to be able to help you get anywhere meaningful with your dog, especially if you have a behavioral case. So stress and avoidance are often parts of the learning process, especially when you're dealing with a behavior case. You just have to know how to steer the dog through those things in a productive manner. There are certain safety measures and behavioral measures that are non-negotiable. We need him to put the muzzle on. We need him to be obedient, and we need him to be safe. Put it and relax. Good. And now do it up properly. You keep the leash in your hand with your righty, you do it up. Once you get that through the loop, you're good. He has to learn, it just doesn't come off. Now when he settles down, pet him. Good. And now take it off.
Sit.
Now put it back on his face, but don't do it up.
When you pull your head away
and
from
relax.
the pressure is on.
Good. Nice. Good. Take it away. Done.